Good. Just a second, guys. Wait 2 more minutes. Hello. Yeah, I think now we are good to go. Let's start. We'll continue what we did yesterday. Yesterday, actually, we did with, let me check my voice and video. Yeah, it's fine. Right. So, yesterday we completed, I think, some PYQs, 8 to 10 PYQs of permutation and combination. And yesterday only I told you we'll be continuing PNC, permutation and combination, for 2 more lectures, and then we'll end it. We'll start with next. So today the second lecture. Let's start. So the first question is here. I think this question, if you read, it's similar to one of the questions that we did yesterday, right? Uh, those who are on Zoom, is my voice clear? I think it's clear, but just confirm me once. Chalo. Others can read the question. What is the question? A scientific committee is to be formed from 6 Indians and 8 foreigners. So, yeah, we have 6 Indians and 8 foreigners. So, total we have 14 of them, correct? Which includes at least 2 Indians and double the number of foreigners as Indians. Then, the number of ways the committee can be formed, right? So here, same thing which we did the other day. We have to make cases, right? So let's say at least 2 Indians. So at least 2 Indians means Indians, foreigners, right? Let's make a table here. So we start with 2 Indians, then the foreigners will be 4. If we get 3 Indians, then foreigners will be 6 because we have double number. 4, then foreigners will be 8, and 5, then foreigners will be 10. This case will not be valid because we have only 8 foreigners. So these 3 cases are possible. Now we have to select. So we have total 6 of them, and out of that we have to select 2. That means 6C2 and 2. Similarly for foreigners, 8C4. What will be here? This will be 6C3 into 8C6. This will be 6C4 into 8C8. So what is 6C2? Let's calculate here. 6C2 is, I think, 15, right? 8C4. 8C4 is 8 into 7 into, this is 8C4. 6 into 5 upon 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 5 to the 10 7 is 70. So 8C4 is 7. 6C3. 6C3 is 6, 5, 4 upon 3, 2, 1. So 3 to the 6, 20 into 8C6 is basically 8C2. 8C2 is 56 by 2, 28. 6C4 is 62, 15 into 1. So if we multiply this, it's 1050. Here it is 560, and here it is 50. So our final answer will be addition of these. So addition will be 5, 12, 6, 1625 is our answer. So 1625, it's option number 1. I hope it is clear, right? No one of you all have confirmed my voice in the chat box, so I think it's clear. So let's proceed. I think this question was very simple. Let's move to the next one. The total number of positive integral solutions x, y, z such that x into y into z equals to 24. Now, this question is, you can say, uh, you must have done these types of questions, I think, right? But it was asked in JEE mains. So let's see how to approach the question. Basically, you would say कि ये PNC का question थोड़ी है, but such questions are of permutation and combination only. You must have done some of them in your regular lectures also. So in such questions, what do? We prime factorize 24. So 24, so if we prime factorize, I can write it as 12 twos are, अच्छा डायरेक्ट अपन 9 टाइम्स वाला करते हैं. So 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So I can write 24 as 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 1. Correct? After this, we have to find integral solutions of x, y, z. So this is nothing but x into y into z is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1. Correct? Now, we need to find positive integral solutions. What does that mean? That means so positive integral solution means that the values of x, y, and z should be positive integers. That means from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That basically means natural numbers, right? So we can write x is equals to, x can be any of these, right? X can be 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, or 3. Correct? So we can write let x be 2 raised to the power alpha 1 into 3 raised to the power beta 1. Similarly, y be 2 raised to the power alpha 2, 3 raised to the power beta 2. And z be 2 raised to the power alpha 3, 3 raised to the power beta 3. So if we substitute all these here, what do we get? Yes, sorry for the disturbance. Where were we? If we substitute these here, we'll get 2 raised to the power alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 into, by indices, right? Power will get added. 3 raised to the power beta 1 plus beta 2 plus beta 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 1. Now, if we compare, then we'll get alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is equals to 3, right? Let me highlight it for you. Comparing powers, right? And similarly, we'll get beta 1 plus beta 2 plus beta 3 is equals to 1. So we can get this, and का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiplication. So basically now this we can do with distribution, right? Or you can say the beggar's method, right? Famously known as beggar's method. So here we want positive integral solutions, right? So this equation, if we give 1 from 3 to them, just a second, I think, yeah. So from here, we'll get 3 plus 3 minus 1. See, 3 minus 1. and these are 3, 1, 2, 3, and this 3. Correct? 3 plus 1 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1. So what do we have? We have 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1, 5. So 5C2 into 3C2. 5C2, 5 4 are 10 into 3C2 is 3, which is 30. So 30 is my answer, which is option number 4. Now I want you all to see the process how we did this question, because such questions are very important and they can catch you off guard, right? कि ये तो कैसे करना है? We first will not know कि question PNC का है, right? So yeah, this is the approach you can take. There are other also 1 or 2 approaches, but I think this is very simple approach and you can use this. Let's see the next. This one. Let X denote the total number of 1-1 functions from a set A with 3 elements and set B with 5 elements. And Y denote the total number of 1-1 functions from set A to set A cross B. Then, so what will be X equals to? Right? X will be equals to 5C3 into 3 factorial. I hope you know functions. Just a second, guys. I got cold. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, sorry for that. So here we have 5C3 into 3 factorial. Now what is 5C3? So X is the number of 1-1 function. Now for 1-1 function, we have to get one element from set A and one element from set B. Now since there are 3 elements in set A, that means we can only get 3 1-1 function, right? Therefore 5C3 means selecting 3 out of these 5 elements from set B. And 3 factorial means arranging, right? Different combinations से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Arrange. So 5C3 into 3 factorial, and Y will be interesting because Y is a 1-1 function, 1-1 functions from set A to set A cross B. Now, if A has 3 elements, B has 5 elements, then A cross B will have 3 into 5, which is 15 elements, right? So now we have to select 15C3 into 3 factorial. It's as simple as this. Correct? I hope you are getting it. Chalo. So we have to find a relation between X and Y. So basically, we can divide, right? So Y divided by X will be equals to 15C3 into 3 factorial upon pi C3 into 3 factorial. So 3 factorial we get cancelled. 15C3 will be 15, 14, 13. 3, 2, 1 तो दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर में से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 5 into 4 into 3. 5 3 the just a second. 5C3 is basically 5C2. Sorry, नहीं बराबर ही था ना. 5 into 4 into 3. So 5 3 the 15, 2 7 the 14. So we got Y over X is equals to 13 into 7 upon 2. That is 2Y is equal to 13 7 is 91X. So 2Y is 91X, option number 2nd. This is our answer. Let's see the next one. The number of 7-digit numbers with the sum of digits equal to 10. So basically हम लोग को कितना digit numbers बनाने का है? 7-digit numbers. Correct? But the condition is the sum of the digits should be equals to 10. So I think we have to make cases here also. So let's say we have 7-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. हम लोगों को क्या यूज करना है? Only 1, 2 and 3 we can use. Correct? So 7-digit numbers. What can we do? We can start with 1. तो अगर हम लोग पहले 6 digits 1 लेते हैं, तो this will be equals to 6. So this will not be possible, right? इसके बाद सम 10 का पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे 2 ले लेते हैं और यहाँ पे 3. तो आई थिंक दिस इज सम इक्वल्स टू 10. लेट्स मेक अनदर केस. 7. करेक्ट. सो 7 के लिए व्हाट कैन वी डू? 1 1 1 1, फिर 2 2, 4 + 4 8, 9 10. राइट. फिर इसके अलावा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we take 1 1 1, then we'll have to take 2. So ये 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the same case as this, right? So it has no meaning. So I think there are only 2 cases possible. Correct? There are only 2 cases possible. So here we have 7 factorial upon 5 factorial. Here we have 7 factorial upon 4 factorial, 3 factorial. 7 factorial upon 5 factorial is 7 into 6. And this is 7 into 6 into 5 upon 4 factorial तो कट हो जाएगा. 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 2s are 6. 7 6s are 42. 7 5s are 35. So if we add them, I think we'll get 77. So this is our answer, which is option number 3. Let's see the next one. You read the question, guys. Just a minute, I'll drink some water and come, okay? Just give me a minute. You then read the question till now. It is a good question. Looks very lengthy. Right? You must read it twice at least. Yeah, so we're back. Sorry, guys, my health is not good today. It's fine. Chalo. Have you read the question? Let us read it again. Consider rectangle ABCD having 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, and 9 points in the interior of the line segments AB, CD, BC, and DA respectively. Okay. So what can we do here? I think interior word नहीं होना चाहिए ना. What the question is mean is that कि हम लोग के पास एक rectangle है A B C D. I think this is what the question means. So let's say we have a rectangle A, B, C, and D. Correct? So 5 points. 5 points we have on segment AB. ये जो segment है AB उस पे ऐसे 5 points है 1 2 3 4 5. This is what the question means. Correct? So don't get confused. The interior I think नहीं होना चाहिए था. Correct? But ठीक है, it's fine. 1 2 3 4 5. Then CD. CD पे कितना है? 7 on CD. So CD पे 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 5 here, 7 here. BC, 6 on BC. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 on BC and 9 on DA. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now let alpha be the number of triangles having these points from different sides as vertices. Let alpha be the number of triangles having these points from different sides as vertices. Correct? And beta be the number of quadrilaterals having these points as different sides. Then beta minus alpha. Okay, so triangle बनाने के लिए we need 3 points. So first we have to select 3 points from any of the sides. So हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? Let's say we'll have to make cases, right? So alpha will be equal to case 1. First case will be कि हम लोग ने AB, BC और CD sides दी. So then we have to select one from each. 1 point from each. Correct? So for sides AB, BC and CD. For sides AB, BC and CD. So let me write AB, BC, CD. Or we can take BC, CD, AD. Or we can take, ignorant. We broke the pattern AB, BC, CD. Then we should have AB, BC, AD. Then B, C, CD, AD. And lastly, AB, CD, AD. AB, CD, AD. Right? So AB में कितना है? 5, 6, 7. Right? We are taking 1 point from each. So either you can write 5 or you can write 5C1, 6C1, 7C1. Doesn't matter. Same ही होता है ना? तो यहाँ पे भी 5, 6, 9. 6, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. So ये अल्फा आ गया. Calculate. We will need some calculations. 6 5 is 30 plus 6 5 is 30. 9 3 is 27. 7 6 is 42. 9 is 420. 42 9 is कितना होता है? 18 plus 35 9 is 31. So we got add them. So 8 plus 5 13, 7 8 15 16 17 3 3 6 7 8 9 10 11. So alpha is basically 1173. Right? I hope I am correct. You can also check the calculation. Beta. Beta में, see, we will have only one possibility because in beta we want quadrilateral. Quadrilateral बनाने के लिए we need 4 points, so we'll select one point from each side. So either you can write 5C1, 6C1, 7C1, 9C1. This is basically 5, 6, 7, 9. So this is 30, 63, right? So ये क्या आ गया 0, 1890. This is beta. हम लोग को क्या चाहिए? बीटा minus alpha, which is 1890 minus 1173. So which is equals to 717. So that means it is option number 4. So it was a pretty easy question, but थोड़ा calculator था and थोड़ा lengthy था बस. Let's see the next one. I think this question you can do on your own. So it is better that you try because I think it's similar to the previous question, right? Chalo. What does this question say? It says that if sides AB, BC and C of a triangle have 3, 5 and 6 points interior. यहाँ पे भी देखो interior mention किया है. In previous question also, the word interior was mentioned. So I think interior means हम लोग जो समझ रहे थे वो same ही, right? So इसमें खाली quadrilateral की जगह पे we have a triangle. Sorry, it doesn't look like a triangle. We have a triangle. A, B, C. So in this triangle, AB पे 3 points है, BC पे 5 and AC पे 6. So these are the number of points that we have. Right? इसमें we will have only one cases. So number of triangles will be सब में से एक एक point लेना है. So 3 into 5 into 6, which is 6 5 is 30 into 3. Then the total triangle हम करते हैं using these points as vertices. विषय हो गया क्या? Sides A interior points. The total number of triangles that can be considered using these points as vertices is equal to. Okay. So what mistake did we made? We tried the approach which we used in the previous question, right? क्या कि एक एक पॉइंट सब में से लेना है. तो इससे तो अपना आंसर क्या आ रहा है 90. But 90 is not in the option, that means it's the wrong answer. So this approach will not work here, right? Because there is something missing here. Correct? So what should be the approach? यहाँ पे we can use the approach of, you can say, subtracting, right? That will work here. So let's try that. What we'll do is total number of points are 6 plus 5, 11, 14. So 14 is the total number of points. We want 3 points to form a triangle. So basically we will have 14C3. But here in 14C3, we'll have some points also जो कि तीनों के तीनों पॉइंट साइड AC से सिलेक्ट हो गए. So if all the 3 points are selected from side AC, then I think that will make no sense, right? Triangle कैसे बनेगा? So that means we have to subtract 6C3, 5C3 and 3C3. Why? Because वहां से मुझे ट्राइंगल नहीं मिलने वाला है. So what is 14C3? 14, 13, 12 upon 3, 2, 1. So 3 to the 6 to the 12 minus 6C3. 654 upon 3, 2, 1. So 3 to the 6. 5C3 is 10 minus 1. So basically, 28 into 13 minus 20 minus 11. Right? So what is 28 into 13? So 364. अरे हम लोग 13 का टेबल यूज कर सकते 13 8, right? Minus 31. So this is basically 333. I think this approach is valid and it is option number 3. Now, the thing I want you all to go home, मतलब go home क्या तुम लोग घर पे ही हो? Basically, I want you all to find ki what was the problem with this approach. Just a second. Let me highlight it. ये जो approach है, what was the problem and why we didn't get the answer? It's very simple, very minute difference what we did in both of them. So I want you all to find कि what was the mistake in this approach. PNC में क्या है? Permutation and combination में it is very interesting to know कि what was the error which we made in one of the approaches. Correct? So I think this you should do it at your home. And if you all do it, and we can discuss it in the next lecture, and I'll say कि ये इसमें problem में क्या था. बहुत ही minute difference है. I think you can easily get because this is the approach that we used in the previous question, right? So now please tell me the difference between these. Not difference. What we did wrong in this approach, the red highlighted one, right? So this is one thing I want you all to do at your home. Think about it. Give it 10 to 15 minutes every day if you don't get it on the first day itself. So yeah, you'll get it. I think. Let's see the next one. Team A consists of 7 boys and n girls. Okay, so let us write the data here. Team A and we have Team B. So Team A में 7 boys, n girls. And Team B has 4 boys and 6 girls. If a total of 52 single matches can be arranged between these two teams, when a boy plays against a boy and a girl plays against a girl. So basically क्या हो रहा है? Total number of matches are 52. How many matches are there? 52. When boys plays against boys, boys of team A plays against boys of team B, and girls of team A plays against girls of team B. Correct? So if we want to, when boys plays against boys, okay. Right. So अगर boys plays against boys, so you have to select a boy from team A and select a boy from team B, which will give us 7 into 4, which is 28. If girls play against girls, then we have to select one girl from N and one girl from here. So we get N into 6, which is basically 6N. Sorry, यहाँ पे equal to आएगा, right? Now, total number of matches will be 28 plus 6N, which is given as 52. So 6N is 28, 24. So N is basically 4. So my option is option number 3, right? Just a second, guys. I'll come. Yeah, sorry for the delay. I got pulled, that's why. Okay, never mind. So n की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 4, right? We got n as 4. Let's see the next question. Yeah. So this question is pretty good, I will say. What does it say? The number of times the digit 3 will be written when listing the integers from 1 to 1000. अभी actually 1 to 1000 में we have 1 digit number, 2 digit numbers and 3 digit numbers. So we have to find the number of times the digit 3 will be written. So if we take 1 digit number, 3 एक ही बार आएगा ना, 1 2 3, 3 will come once. If we take 2 digit numbers, यहाँ पे 3 आ सकता है और यहाँ पे 3 आ सकता है, correct? And we have to write the total. Then we'll get 3 digit numbers. So 3 digit numbers में we'll have to make 3 cases. Either 3 can come here, either 3 can come here, sorry, either 3 can come here or 3 can come here. So basically what I'm trying to say is, see, this is basically case 1, case 2, case 3. Right? Please listen, it is very important and very logic. अभी यहाँ पे केसेस के अंदर केसेस बनाने पड़ेंगे हम लोग को, राइट? आई थिंक यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. केस 1 में एक ही केस है ये वाला. केस 2 में वी हैव 2 केसेस, दिस एंड दिस. केस 3 में वी हैव 3 केसेस, 1 2 3. अभी गलती से इफ समवन आस्क मी नॉट 1 to 1000, 1 to 10,000, तो केस 4 में 1 2 3 4 केसेस होंगे. सो आई थिंक दिस प्रोसेस इज अ बिट लेंदी, राइट? अगर I actually try to count by making cases, it will be very lengthy, but it is a perfect way to solve, right? I think you should try that after the lecture, same cases what we have done, case 1, case 2, case 3. But there is a better way, which is more faster. More faster मतलब ऐसे 2 सेकंड में आंसर आ जाएगा, which is, देखो, before that, let me discuss one thing with you. If we have 3 digit numbers, right? And if we put 0 in the first place, so is this a 3 digit number or is this a 2 digit number? Is this a 3 digit number or is this a 2 digit number? Obviously, guys, this is basically a number 0, 1, 2, which is nothing but 12. So it's a 2 digit number, right? Because 0 was in the first place. So by using the same logic, whenever 0 comes in the first place, the number will become a 2 digit number. Whenever 0 comes in the first two places, the number will become a one digit number. So by considering the occurrence of zero, we can easily get either one digit, two digit or three digit numbers while using this method. So हम लोग का आंसर क्या होगा पता है? थ्री डिजिट नंबर में here we have 10 choices. या तो मैं 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can put any one of these 10 digits here. Same thing, we have 10 choices here, we have 10 choices here. So total is 10 into 10 into 10. Total numbers तो 1000 है. अभी, if you followed my discussion till here, we want how many times 3 will occur. So if 3 is in the first position, we have 10 choices for this, we have 10 choices for this, which comes down to 100. If 3 is in the second position, we have again 10 choices here, 10 choices here, we get 100. If 3 is third position, we have 10 choices here, we have 10 choices here. This is also 100. So my total will be 300, which is my answer. Correct? So this is my answer. Now you will be worrying कि हम लोग ने यहाँ पे 2 digit numbers तो count ही नहीं किए. But this is what I explained. That is why I explained this part. कि if suppose let's say I have this case, right? Here, out of the 3 digits, 3 is your center. अभी जब भी यहाँ पे 0 आएगा and मान लो यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, so this is not a 3 digit number, it's a 2 digit number. So this is what I was trying to say कि 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, all of them are included in this. So we don't have to make cases, case 1, case 2, case 3 और उसके अंदर cases बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So my total answer is basically 300. That's it. I hope it is clear. Think about it after the lecture. Let's see the next one. The total number of 4-digit numbers whose greatest common divisor with 18 is 3. I hope you know the concept of greatest common divisor. So, if we consider greatest common divisor को basically क्या बोलते हैं याद है ना? GCD. You must have done this. So, if we consider the 4-digit number to be capital N, then GCD of capital N and 18 should be equals to 3. This is the given condition. Now, how to approach this, right? If the greatest common divisor, which is GCD of the number and 18 is 3, then the conclusion is N is a number which is odd and divisible by 3 but not by 9. This is very important because if the number is divisible by 9, then the greatest common divisor will be 9, not 18. Because 18 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 18 is basically 9 2s are 18. So अगर 9 एक फैक्टर है n का, that means GCD will be 9 and not 3. So this is a very important condition that we got from the question which they have given indirectly in this. The GCD of the number n 18 should be 3, right? So odd चाहिए. तो 4 डिजिट नंबर में 1 2 3 4 we have to get multiples of 3, right? Multiples of 3. So it will start from 1005. It should be divisible by 3, right? 1005 के बाद 1008 भी आएगा, but it will not be odd. So 1011, फिर 14 आएगा, which will not be odd, 17 आएगा, and last में will have 9999. Now, if you check it out, it is 1500. You can do it with AP. ये AP है, right? It's an AP. Now, similarly, these are divisible by 3. We want not divisible by 9. So 9 वाले भी गिन लेते हैं. What will be 9 वाले क्या होंगे? 1017 से start होंगे, 1035, and it will go on up to 9999. This will be 500. It's same, it is an AP. Now, our answer will be the numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9, right? Not divisible by 9. So therefore, you have to subtract the numbers which are divisible by 9. So basically, our final answer is 1000. This is my answer. So that was all from my side, guys. Thank you all for attending. Sorry to take 2 minutes extra of your time, but I think it was very good. Very nice lecture. Thank you all. We'll be continuing with the last lecture of PNC PYQs next time. All right. Bye, guys, everyone. Thank you. Take care. Tata.